Hi there, this is Steve Miley back in the Forex Zone for FX Explained, looking at day trade, short-term trading views for the Euro, Pound, Canadian, Australian and New Zealand dollars, and also the Japanese yen, all against the US dollar. Starting off here with the Euro versus US dollar, EURUSD, grinding lower in here throughout this week. We had that sharp push up higher at the end of last week, beginning of this week, and then a setback on Monday and just grinding down lower in here throughout this week. Risk going into the end of the week down to 110.50 for Thursday, Friday, maybe deeper threat towards 110.25 going into early September, which is next week. Pound dollar in here, very choppy in here so far this week. Lots of Brexit news, but an increased risk of no deal Brexit in here. More recently seeing a sell-off down through this little up counter trend line, rejecting a break up through this down trend line that comes all the way back from May, and the market dipping back down from below there, down through supports here, down through the trend line, and that leaves risk lower for today. Down for targets 121.92, 121.55, maybe as deep as 121.06. Canadian dollar now, yes, a recovery. The market remains just about capped off at this 133.20 level, and whilst below here we're looking for a roll lower, but increasing risk maybe for a push up through there, which would then aim back at these peaks at 133.45, 133.46. But whilst below 133.20, we're looking for a potential roll lower. But again, the dollar, as elsewhere, firm here. So the US dollar potentially breaking higher here. So I'm watching out for that one, maybe turning more bullish. Australian dollar continues its grind lower throughout this week, having had that rebound at the beginning of the week. Lower down through 67.23 support overnight. Downside risk down towards 66.86, certainly down through 67.00 is the threat for today. And similar weakness on New Zealand dollar. Already this week making a new multi-month cycle low. Lower again overnight in here, down to 63.04. Deeper targets going into today below 63.00, 62.86, 62.61. And finally for the Japanese yen, caught in a sideways motion in here throughout this week. We had that sell-off and rebound at the end of last week. Underlying theme in here still for us is to the downside and negative. But the yen in here and the dollar kind of trading places in here at the moment for the strong currency. So dollar and yen both pretty much sideways this week, signifying strength of both of these currencies in this generally risk-off mode that we're in at the moment, and both the dollar and yen being used as safe havens. Our bias slightly lower within this scenario for dollar yen. That's been Steve Miley in the Forex Zone for FX Explained. Join me again next time and have a great trading day. So traders, don't forget to catch us again on the Forex Zone, and also check out all the great content on fxexplained.co.uk.